Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, guys. Well, Mother's Day is over, but of course we don't stop to always love our mother, right? My kids are so wonderful. They surprised me with flowers, cards, ice cream. Of course, my favorite ice cream, so it's really nice. And my husband cooked for me, and so I was very pampered and spoiled on my Mother's Day. I hope you guys same thing too. So but today we're gonna do unbox. We're gonna unbox this box. Actually, this box came in a few days ago, and I just didn't have a time to do a video, so I decided today because I kind of miss talking to you guys on, you know, on this like this. It's, you know, guys, I'm not sure what is this box, but it came into my door a few days ago, and I'm not sure. So it said Glow Addict Beauty Box. I should search this one, but I want to show you guys. I already opened this because I was really curious about it, and so wait, I guess I guess I haven't opened it. Oh, okay, here you go. So this is the box. It's, you know, what inside the box, and so it has this beautiful lashes, which is huge, but I'm going to see what I can do right there. And it has a liquid eyeliner, mild black eyeliner, Ocalan. That one. And what is this? There's an EO3. I think this is a brush, but I'm not sure. Let's open up. You know, I always get so curious about what I get. So, oh, it's brushes, guys. It's beautiful. 50. Yeah, it's beautiful. We're gonna have to try this one. So, and then the glitter Naked Cosmetic. And then, of course, this beautiful palette. Okay, finally open it. Oh my god, it was so hard to open. So this is from Ocalan Perfect Stylish Eyes 24 color eyeshadow palette. It's for deep eyes. It's beautiful. And that, it's beautiful, guys. So it has the blush, contour, and highlight already. So it's like, it's a beautiful palette. Even the, see guys. So I guess this is what this box. I'll fix that later. Okay. So, oh wait, my shirt, guys. There. So this one, actually, guys, I ordered this. But I didn't expect this is big. I thought it was small. Yes. I thought it was small. See, it's huge. This is a really pretty, he said, all things pretty. 25 pieces collection. Ta-da! Look at this, guys. It's so pretty. Look. That's so beautiful, guys. It's so you have this one. It's a full size. What's wonderful about this is a full size. You have that lip gloss, lipsticks in here, face primer, eye primer, and this is what is this? Is a rose water and facial skin. So that's the skincare there, and you have the eyeshadow right here, and your brush is on the top, and you have that mirror right there. So this is actually like this is like a travel go, so it's really pretty. So this is darker color, I guess. There's because I got the darker color, and oh my god. So this is the lighter color. It's the light pink. I want to see what the makeup or the palette. Oh wow, guys. So you have the blush, contour, highlight in here, and then eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow and you know, and this one right here are a little bit lighter than this, so that's nice. But you have that darker lip gloss right here, and I also have the same thing, the primer, the face primer, the rose water and aloe facial mist. I misread that there. What is this? Eyeshadow primer, and then you have the brushes and pencil right here. So this is really pretty. I actually got this, guys, for my next giveaway because I wanna do something like a set, but I'm not sure yet. Well, let's continue with my unboxing first. But this is really, I'm really excited with this. I guess I gotta go pick which color or which set I wanted to keep for myself. This is so exciting. So wait. Oh, look at this, guys. So this is a, look, it's the collection of Maybelline New York. This is the, sorry, oops, look at that. Is that beautiful? It said Super Stay Matte Ink, matte ink with attitude, up to 16-hour liquid matte, limited edition, art by Ashley Longshore. So this color is Loyalist and then Pioneer. This color is Artist and Believer. Wow, I'm gonna go try this. So I have like 4 of this one, guys. It's really pretty. Oh, look at this, guys. It's Hydrating Coconut Extra. I'm gonna try this, guys. I love coconut. You know, guys, coconut, it's really good for your skin. This is the sheet mask. It's an ultra moisturizing. So it's really pretty. And then what we have a Nutrition Daily Cleanser with coconut oil and argan oil. I like this. When it comes to coconut and argan oil, oh, I have to have that. We have to always taking care of our skin no matter what. Ooh, guys, look at this. It's a little piggy. See that? And it has, I gotta go fix it because it was like, so. And then this is the Sweet Talk Pressed Powder Palette. So this is, company of this is the Color Pop. Let's see what color this is. You know, I never tried this brand yet, but I might have to try it because I have two. Like I always tell you guys, I always get more so that I can keep the some and then give. So this color is rosy with glitters, so it's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. I love it. Color Pop, You're Pretty. See, guys? So I gotta try that. And then what is this? Color Pop BFF Liquid Eyeliner. I start liking the eyeliners now. Also, of course, depends what brand is, because some brand actually this is not really, it's not really good for me in my own opinion. So, and what else? Oh, I have another one. I always get so excited. Look at this. Okay, so this one, of course, it's a box, but let's open up. I'll show you guys how many of this. It's because I tried some. So this is the, what is this? Oh, this is the Girl Boss from Private Society, and it's still on the box. And if you guys watch my other video, I tried this already, so you guys get to see what color. And this palette, so this one is the glow palette. See, glow glitter palette. So this is actually the giveaway, guys, for the next time, for the next giveaway. Okay, now ready? This is, there's so much lipstick, so much what do you call, this is complete, guys. It has the setting powder. Never open it, but let's see. This is the setting powder, guys. See? I gotta try my set because I haven't tried this one. And this one is buildable foundation. I don't know if that, you know, I'm so picky about foundation, guys. It's because it's our skin. Like, each one of us have different color of the skin, so maybe, you know, too light or too dark for us, so we don't know. But this is the liquid foundation. I think it's a little bit light for me, but we'll see. We can always, what I do even is too light for me is I usually mix them with darker color. So, and then what is this? Oh, this is the lipstick I tried on last time. And then, oh, look at this, guys. This one is the Long Wear Stick Foundation. I'm curious about that one. You know, it's like, what is that? It's a lipstick foundation. I never try. Ooh, that one. Long wearing. But it's so cute. It's like you can carry this pretty much you know, in your purse, and then you can go anywhere and put your makeup, and you'll be ready. You'll be ready to see people with me. Gosh. There. So this is all new, and I even have brow defender for brows. So this is actually a set, guys. It has the setting powder, liquid foundation, you have eyeshadow. The only thing you don't have in here is the lashes, which I have to have lashes. There. Oops. So I haven't tried this brows actually, guys. This is like so I have a lot long wearing. I have a lot of this. So this is I have 2 boxes of this one, guys. I just put in this box, but because I don't have any place to put anymore. So there you go, our unboxing. I have another box, but I think I'll do that for the next one. This is actually my my giveaway. I can't do any giveaway right now, guys, for makeup. It's because I have to ship my previous giveaway first, and it's really hard because all this international you know, shipping, it's not going to there yet. It's because of what's going on still, and it's stuck on the custom, and so it's kind of hard for me to start this. So that's the reason why when I do when I do sometimes my live stream, I do I try to help the Philippines to do a load, because so that they have like a extra internet or something to use for them to their YouTube or something like that, because I can't do this. And I noticed some of you guys there that are following me are not following me now, because I see who is still watching, and that's why it's really nice when I see, you know, I see some of you guys that didn't win for my last giveaway and still continue supporting me till now, and I'm so happy to see you guys all the time, and I wanted to thank you guys for doing that, and hopefully I see you guys for the rest of my happiness in YT world. So, but anyway, guys, I'll see you guys for the next video, and stay beauty and stay happy and positive. Bye.